Good morning, standard 10 students. In physics, today I am going to explain you. I have already explained you the work, it and their unit, definition of the unit. Now, today I am going to explain you the power. Right? So, what is power? Rate of doing work is known as power. Rate of doing work is known as power. So, W by T, P is equal to W by T is known as power. Rate of the wherever in science, rate word is coming means you have to divide. So what is the definition? Rate of doing work means work will be divided by time. So this is the definition of the power. Rate of doing work is known as power. Now what is the unit of power? So power 1 watt, and 1 watt is equal to 1 work unit is joule and time unit is second. So 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. This is the unit of the power. So first form of power is equal to W by T. Now we will write the different form of power by putting the value of work, different form of work. Second, P is equal to W work we know that is F into S, force into displacement by time. So in place of work we can write force into displacement by time. This is second form of the power. Third form, power is equal to F into V. Why V? Because displacement by time is equal to velocity. And S is the displacement, T is the time. So displacement by time is equal to velocity. The third form of power is P is equal to F into V. Fourth form, P is equal to W mgh by T. We can write. What is mgh? See, suppose if a body lying above the Earth's surface, mass of the body is m, lying above the Earth's surface h height. 8. So what is the work done here? What energy? So W is equal to F into S, and F is equal to m into g. Force is equal to mass into gravity. Gravitational force acting in the downward directions into S is the distance, here it is height, mgh. This is potential energy, known as potential energy, that is equal to mgh. So this is also work. So in place of work we can write mgh by T. Fifth one, power is equal to, in place of W we can write Fs cos theta by T. Now these are the different form of power. Now when you will use this form to solve the numerical problem, we have to see what is given in the question. Accordingly, we will use the form. Now one example I am giving you. See, question number 10. What is given question number 10? The power of a motor is 40 kilowatt. P given 40 kilowatt. At what speed? Speed we have to find. Right? At what speed the motor raise a load of 20,000. Load means force. 20,000 Newton. We have to find. So of course we will use this form, P is equal to F into V. P is given 40, convert into what? 40,000 watt. Force is 20,000. V we have to find. Cancel. So V is equal to 2 meter per second. This is the answer. Right. Another question. Suppose two persons, A and B. Right. 2 person A and B both climb up some stairs. Okay. Both climbs the top of the stair. What is the work done by A and B? This case work done will be same because both are doing the same work, and but what is different? Time will be different. Once again listen, A and B 2 person climbs up a stairs. One take 10 minutes, other take 20 minutes. What is their work and what is their power? Answer of this type of question is for the work, since both are doing the same work, both are climbing up the stairs. So same work they are doing. So work done by A and B will be 1:1. It will be same. But time will be different. For power A power is equal to work is same, time is 10. For B, work is same, time is 20. Find out the ratio. This is P1 and say P2. Ratio of the power P1 by P2, W by 10 by W by 20. This cancel means 20 by 10 means 2:1. So P1 is to P2 will be 2:1. Power will be different. What will be same? Work done will be same. Only power will be different. Now there are different units of power. The power unit, 1 kilowatt, 1 kilowatt, 1 megawatt, 1 megawatt, and 1 gigawatt. 1 kilowatt 10 to the power 3 watt, 1 megawatt 10 to the power 6 watt, and 1 gigawatt 10 to the power 9 watt. 8. A smaller units, milliwatt and microwatt given. 1 microwatt 10 to the power minus 3 watt, and 1 milliwatt is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 watt, and 1 microwatt is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 watt. And 1 HP, horsepower. It is the another unit of power. What is horsepower? It is the another unit of power largely used in mechanical engineering, where we use mechanical engineering. And it is related to the SI units. How it is related? 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. Another unit of power, generally it is used in mechanical engineering, and 1 HP horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Then last topic is left, that is energy. What is energy? Capacity to do the work is known as energy. Right? Once again, what is energy? Capacity to do the work is known as energy. Now, work and energy both are same. So that the unit is also same. What is the unit of energy? It is also joule. What is the unit of work? Joule. So it is same. No difference. What is the, see the definition? The capacity to do the work. What is the capacity? What is the capacity of one person? That is their work. So work and energy is same, not different, as well as the unit is also same. Right. So today I explain you the power and energy. Right. Some more units are there. How to change it? That's why I explain you in the next class, and some numerical problem in next video I will solve. Thank you very much.